In this video, we are going to derive the formula for integration by parts. So now let's say we have the derivative of the function of f of x times the function of g of x. By product rule, we're going to say that the derivative of this is equal to f prime of x times g of x plus g prime of x times f prime of x. So now, what we need to do here is to introduce integral sign. So we'll have the integral of dx of f of x times g of x dx, which is equal to the integral of f prime of x times g of x plus g prime of x times f of x dx. So here we need to apply the sum rule. So now, what we can do here is to apply the sum rule as I said. So we're going to have dx of these two functions which are multiplying each other of dx, which is equal to the integral of this one, f prime of x times g of x dx plus the integral of g prime of x times f of x dx. So rearranging these terms which are here, we're going to take this term which is here and make it to become the subject. So we're going to have the integral of g prime of x, it should be f prime of x, g prime of x times g prime of x dx to be equals to the integral of dx of f of x times g of x dx. Then we'll minus the integral of f prime of x times g of x dx. So now, this one, it can be the formula for integration by parts, but sometimes you may forget it. So how about now we say that let u to be equals to f of x and v to be equals to g of x. How about now we have du dx is equals to f of x dx, of course, f prime of x dx. even for dv, we'll have g prime of x. Let me just try it here. dv will have g prime of x dx. So let's substitute this information in this equation. Let me just limit star and then create some space here so that you don't miss it. So now, where there is f of x, we're going to put u. So we'll have from this part here, f of x is u and g prime of x is dv. So we'll have u dv, which is equals to. So you need to remember that the integral of this is just equals to the integral of f of x times g of x. So we're going to take it out. So we'll have f of x times g of x. So what is f of x? Is u. And what is g of x? Is v, which is here. Minus the integral of what is f of f prime of x? F prime of x let's see. F prime of x should be this one, which is here. So we're gonna have du times what is g of x? Is v. Dx. So the formula for integration by parts is this one. We're gonna write it well here. It's the integration of u dv, which is equals to u times v minus the integral of v du. And this is integration by parts.